Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I want to share with you guys tomorrow's Peachy Cheap deal. Tomorrow they're going to be having a fall kit by October afternoon. I'll have all the information down below. So I figured I'd do a quick video and share you guys the project that I created for them this month. And yeah, so I'm going to show you a little bit of what I have left over from the collection. You guys should definitely check it out. Let's see what we have here. I wasn't planning on doing any fall crafting, but when I was sent this kit, of course, I had to play with it. So this is some cut aparts. Some I cut out from a sheet because this is like one of the papers. So we get this cute little TV. These are little cards that came with the ephemera pack. These are more cut aparts. It's a super cute collection, you guys. September to remember and October full of splendor, November to treasure. Super cute. And I did use up some of the papers, but this is how the cut apart comes. These I think are 6x8, and that's one of the papers. One of the papers also has leaves like this. Here's another little cut apart. This is another pattern of paper, as well as this one. You also get some acorns, and then kind of like that sweater pattern. And I think I showed you guys this one. Here's some more cut aparts, which are so cute. I love these, like little thermos, very cozy. And this is another pattern. You're also gonna get some stickers, which I didn't use in my project, but this is what they look like. And then of course you get a bunch of little ephemera. This is everything that I didn't use. Let's see what we have here. We got some leaves and some little acorns in there, but you do get this cute little bike. You get a bunch of tabs, a bunch of cute little ephemera pieces, and you guys kind of get the idea. I have all the info on my Instagram tomorrow, but I can't wait to show you guys what I created. So I'm always creating like a flip book or tags, and I decided to do something different this time around with this collection. And I made some treat bags, and this is what they look like. So this is the first one, and as you can see, they're double-sided papers. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting is horrible because it's super gloomy out and it's already 7 o'clock at night, but this is what the little treat bags look like. And I figured you can send these off in some Happy Mail, put some goodies in there for your pal. I decorated them with some like book sheets. These are part of the ephemera from the kit, as well as this little cut apart. I did a lot of sewing, and these are the little tabs. But you guys, I love the way they turned out. Look how cute this is. And these were just little stuff that I had in my fall stash. So this is the bigger little treat bag. I tried to make different sizes. So this is the bigger size, which is the full sheet, 6x8. And then I created one like this, which is kind of like a 6x6. And you guys, look how cute this looks. These are all pieces of the ephemera, except these two. I added those from my collection. The little tab up top that you can put a little word sticker in there. It's double-sided. You can add some goodies. I also did some tearing, a lot of sewing, but I am so happy with the way they turned out, you guys. These were so fun to make. And then the last one that I made is a little one, which you can add like maybe washi samples or any kind of goodies you want in there, like smaller goodies. Little tags you can put in here too. So I did the same thing with the little label here. This is super cute. It says everything is better in a sweater. I used some little bits from my stash. These are from the ephemera pack, as well as this little guy holding the little squirrel. I thought it was cute to kind of like check off the little fall bucket list. And then I did tons of layering with the papers, tons of sewing. That's the back of it. These all have the same back except this one. And then I did the same backing on that one as well as this one. But yeah, you guys, that is my little project for Peachy Cheeps tomorrow. for Peachy Cheap's deal tomorrow. Let me know down below what you guys think. I think they turned out super cute. I love making these little things, different things, whenever I get stuff to create with. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.